Hi there, it's Chris Lauren, and I'm so happy to walk you through the Best Friend Portrait Creator and show you just how easy it is to create fully customizable female portraits in Photoshop, Procreate, Affinity, and more. You'll be able to simply create your personalized besties just with a few simple clicks and be able to change every single color. You can be in full control of the whole look from top to bottom. It's my most versatile creator yet. There are 2 different body shapes, curvy and slim, and they come in 4 different body poses that you can customize the skin color, outfit, footwear, and hairstyles. Change the color of the fill, shadow, and highlight of every element inside the creator, as well as editing the patterns on the clothing or turning them on and off to create a totally different look. And don't worry, I've created custom palettes for you to import swatches directly into your projects so you don't have to start picking colors from scratch. There are 20 hairstyles to choose from, and a number of combinations of tops, pants, jackets for just about any occasion, and loads of dresses to choose from, including 3 wedding dresses. There are scrubs and a doctor's coat, as well as a grad gown and cap for all those inspiring best friends. These creators even work on your iPad in Affinity and Procreate. In Affinity Designer or Photo, simply import the PSD and all your layers are there ready to go. In Procreate, due to limits on layer count, there are 13 canvases per pose, so you can open the body, hair, and clothing separately and assemble them together in a new canvas. Check out the system requirements in the description just to make sure that your iPad is compatible. I've included full walkthrough tutorial videos for Photoshop, Procreate, and Affinity so you can feel confident using these creators. Then when you're all done, combine your best friends together to create your custom projects. It's just that simple. You don't have to draw a thing. Have a blast creating custom best friend portraits super quick with this versatile and fun portrait creator. I can't wait to see what you create.